Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix uptcl app not working problem. Okay, let's start the video. First, long press on uptcl app, click on F info. Now click on full stop, click on OK, click on storage and cache. Now clear cache or clear storage. Now find your Play Store app and search uptcl app. Check if you have the latest version of the uptcl app. Finally, your app is updated. Click on open. Now log in your uptcl account. I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.